Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the Bernoulli equation. First we discuss the definition. What is the definition of Bernoulli equation? The total energy of the moving fluid, total energy of the moving fluid, that is the pressure energy, kinetic energy, and potential energy remain constant. So in mathematically, we write as pressure energy plus kinetic energy plus potential energy is remain constant. Now write this as applicable in compressible fluid. Second one is steady flow, and third one is non viscous fluid. That is the three property of the fluid in which for hold the Bernoulli equation. Today we derive the Bernoulli equation. For this we draw the diagram. Consider the following diagram where water flow from left to right in a pipe that change both the area and height. When fluid move upward, then the potential energy as well as kinetic energy both are changed. So here we first calculate the work on the fluid. We know that work that is equal to force into displacement. Here we force that is we take the F1 and displacement that cover in the lower part of the pipe is x1. So as we know that pressure is equal to force over area, so here we can calculate the force is equal to pressure into area. So here we can write P1 A1 delta x1. If we write in term of velocity, we know that v1 is equal to delta x1 over time t. So here we can write delta x1 is equal to v1 t. So put in this equation, so we get w is equal to p1 a1 v1 t. This we calculate the part and lower part of the pipe. So this is we write as the w1. So this is the work done for the pipe in the lower part of the pipe. Now we calculate the work done in the upper part of the pipe. So in similarly we can write as w2 is equal to p2 a2 v2 t, but here we use the minus sign. Here we use the negative work due to the pressure in the upper part of the pipe is in the opposite direction of the velocity due to the pressure in the opposite direction. So now we calculate the total work done, that is equal to W is equal to W1 plus W2. So here we can write W is equal to P1 A1 V1 T minus P2 A2 V2 T. Here we know that the volume of the flow rate that is equal to area into velocity. So here we can write as the volume is equal to AV T. So we can write A1 V1 T minus is equal to A2 V2 T is equal to total volume V. So this equation become W is equal to A1 V1 T A2 V2 is equal to capital V. So W is equal to P1 minus P2 into V. That is the total work done of the fluid that is flowing through the pipe. And we calculate the work done, that is equal to W is equal to P1 minus P2 V. So here we know that the density that is equal to mass over volume. So volume is equal to mass over density. So put it here. So we get that W is equal to P1 minus P2 into mass over density. That is the work done calculate of the flowing fluid. Now we know that the work energy principle that is equal to work done is equal to change in kinetic energy plus change in potential energy. So here we the change in kinetic energy that is equal to half m v2 का square minus half m v1 का square. Here we write the change in potential energy that is equal to mgh2 minus mgh1. Now have the equation put in this formula. So we get W is equal to change in kinetic energy plus change in potential energy. So P1 minus P2 m by rho is equal to half m v2 का square minus half m v1 का square plus mgh2 minus mgh1. P1 minus P2 m by rho is equal to m half rho v2 का square minus half rho half v1 का square. v1 का square we take the m common. Here we also take the m common. So g h2 minus gh1. So in both m are cancelled. So rho is multiplied minus p2 half rho v2 का square minus half rho v1 का square plus rho gh2 minus rho gh1. So we can write it as p1 plus half rho v1 का square plus rho gh1 is equal to p2 plus half rho v2 का square plus rho gh2. We can write it as the general form, that is the p plus half rho v का square plus rho gh is equal to constant.